Hi all, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. This is for those who want to learn PowerShell. Now we will go through PowerShell commands. Before going to PowerShell commands, we need to launch PowerShell. For that, go to search, type PowerShell, and open it. I'm clicking on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now we're able to see PowerShell window. Our next command is set location. The set location command in PowerShell is used to change the current working location to a specified directory or a folder within the file system. It allows to navigate to different directories within the PowerShell. Syntax is set -location space -path space, and we have to give complete path where you want to switch from current location to new location. So we have to give that new location complete path so that it will switch to that specific location from current location. Now we'll see this in a PowerShell. Before going to set location, first we will check where we are currently in. To get that information, we have to give get location so that we'll get the current location where we are currently in. So currently we are in a C drive Windows directory, within that system32 directory. So now, for example, if you want to go to D drive, to switch location, we have to give set -location -path, and within quotes we have to give that path. We'll give D directory. Once you press enter, it will switch the current location to D drive. See, earlier we were in a C drive Windows directory and system32 directory. Now we are in D directory. So let's say if you want to go to any other directory again, set -location -path, see, now we give set -location -path, and the target location which we want to shift is we give as a C drive. So now we switch it to C drive. Let's say we want to switch different location, -path C colon slash. See, we switch to different location. See, now currently we are in C drive users directory within that Hari directory. This way we can switch from one directory to another directory by using set location command in PowerShell. This is all about set location.